Hello everyone, welcome back to a new snapseed tutorial. In this video I will show you how to add color in any object, using curve adjustment. So let's start. Our channel name and intro have been updated. Leave your comments in the comment box, and go to the video. Open Snapseed, take your photo. Using this flowers image, then select a tool panel, and select the curve adjustment. Let's zoom the image in 2 finger. Let's talk about color first. This curve adjustment panel is available in 3 different colors: red, green, and blue. In short, it is called RGB. The other colors are created using these 3 colors. Listen to this picture and you will almost understand when you see it. For example, the color I am going to choose here is yellow. See which color is opposite to yellow. Cyan is the opposite of red, magenta is the opposite of green, and yellow is the opposite of blue. Yellow can be made by combining red and green. Okay, let's back to curve panel. Select the red curve adjustment. Here I raise the lower point in red and the lower point in green. And next select the green curve. I think you understand, it will be clearer when other colors are used. Okay, select tick mark, and select stack icon, then select view edits, then select curve adjustment, choose brush icon. Let's paint it object area. Make this yellow one darker, reduce the blue opposite of yellow to make it darker, down the upper point of the blue. Perfect, and paint it. Done. Back to home section. The next step is to paint a different color. I choose blue here. To get blue you have to reduce the green and red, that is, the cyan on the opposite side of the red, and the magenta on the opposite side of the green should be reduced. Now select curve adjustment. Here move the lower point of the red to the right, that is to the cyan. Similarly drag the lower point to the opposite right side of the green, that is to the magenta, and paint it. Same situation processing. Select stack icon, view edits, then select blue curve adjustment. Let's paint. I make it fast this painting. I am a little adjustment this blue color curve, just saturation increase, lower point fully drag to right side the red and green. Okay, I am a little adjustment in yellow color. And back in. The next color is red, and if you want to get red, lower the upper point of green and blue to some extent. Okay, and paint it. I make it fast this painting. Done. I make small adjustments in red and yellow. The yellow color may add a slight orange color. Okay, this is perfect. The next color I choose is green, and when it gets green it looks even more beautiful. Let's select curve adjustment panel. To get green here, drag the red across the lower point to the right, as well as the lower point on the blue to the right. Sorry. And paint in green color. then hit OK. I make small adjustment in red color. I go to darken green color, go to Edit Curve Adjustment, select green color little down upper point for green. Okay, this is perfect. Now the last color to choose is magenta, that is, magenta is the opposite of green. Now select Curve Adjustment, select green color, so pull the lower point half of the green to the right. If you want to add more color, do it to your liking, and paint it. Done. Finish. Before and after. With this technique you can make all the colors. I hope you understand everything. Thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you next video.